loves, welcome back to my channel. This is Linda from Makeup Maniac by Linda. Today's video is going to be another review video, and this is about a new product that I have received for review purpose. I have been testing this out throughout few weeks, like the last few weeks that I have received this. So till then I have tried and tested it out in few various ways to give you the opinion that would actually matter to you guys. So I have tried this out with different kind of foundations. So before moving on to the main video, let me just tell you and give you a product overview. This is the Kona face powder by Farnaz. Kona is the owner and founder of Women's World BD, and Farnaz is the director, and this is manufactured by Women's World Cosmetics, which is a renowned beauty salon of Bangladesh, and they have outlets throughout the country. This product will be particularly sold in their outlets only, and they will give you testers. Basically there's nothing to swatch about face powder, because you can see it. I have applied the face powder today on my face. This is how the finish it gives. I'm gonna give you a product close-up very soon, but it comes along with 3 different shades. Shade number 1 is K01, which is the brightest shade. The medium shade is K03. The third shade, which is more on the deeper tone, this is K06. So I believe it has basically 3 shades which would kind of cover out almost all skin tones of our country, which we have medium skin tone to brown, and even for a fair skin tone there is a shade. So if you are somewhat confused on what shade to get, you can surely go and check out their testers in the stores. First, let me show you the close-up of the compact. This is the compact, and this at the back shows you the product details. So this has 8.5 gram of face powder in it, and it says professional compact powder. It is manufactured by Women's World Cosmetics Limited. It has 2 compartments in it actually. It opens up like a click open. Firstly, here you get a big mirror. This shade is K01. This is the brightest shade. This is for the fair ones, and the lower compartment over here is the place where you get puff for the face powder. So there it is, a very sturdy and sleek compact to have in your purse. The second shade is for the medium ones. This is my shade. This is K03, and this is the medium skin tone. This is my shade basically. I'm wearing this all over my face now. I did not do baking. I just used this face powder today on top of my foundation, and you can see that it gave me a very natural looking matte finish. It also did a good job in setting my foundation. So they claim that this lasts for 8 hours, and I have tested it out. It does last a good long time of hours. This shade is K06. This is for more deeper skin tone of you. There are many of you who actually message me every now and then that you don't get your perfect shade of face powder in Bangladesh. So here it is for you. You can find your perfect shade. You can swatch through the testers. Let me just give you a finger swatch, because I cannot put on face powder over here. I already have it. Here is a swirl throughout the face powder. It's very smooth and buttery. They claim this product to be full coverage, and they say that it has foundation also in it. So it's a foundation plus face powder. It's gonna give you full coverage, and I believe that it's true, because you can see that this is a finger swatch of the face powder, and it's giving me very good coverage. And it's a full matte face powder, so it's gonna be perfect if you are oily skin. I have very oily skin. This sets my foundation pretty well. It also lasted me all day long, because when I did sweat throughout the day, I applied it with the puff that came along with it, and I just dabbed it, did not apply a lot. It did not make me look cakey or overdone with it. It did its job perfectly. So to give my final verdict on this particular product, all I'm gonna say is that I'm really impressed of the performance that this product gives me. It did last throughout the day. I would not lie that I did sweat, and when I sweat it kind of wears off throughout my nose and around my mouth area, so I do reapply, which would happen with any other normal face powder. So that way it did do its job perfectly. It's a full coverage face powder, I would say, so it's not sheer or lightweight. It's a very full coverage thing on your face. So if you are even using a medium coverage foundation, this is going to give you a perfect finish throughout your face. It does cover up imperfections and also gives you a blurry and smooth kind of face. That's it. That's all I had to say about this particular product, and I hope you guys liked the review video. If you want to purchase this product, then you can purchase it from any of the 7 outlets of Women's World Bangladesh. They also would have testers for you. So yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you want to see any further review of any other products, and also let me know if you have any other video requests or tutorial requests. This is Linda signing off for the day. I'm going to see you guys soon in my channel. Make sure to share my videos and give me a thumbs up. Bye bye and take care.